Steve Harvey wasn't wrong when he said every black person living should come to Ghana and see what they did to us. Guys, after the video went viral, a lot visited and returned, and a lot more are still coming to see for themselves. Guys, today we're gonna be checking out a video of black Americans who didn't just listen, but they decided to visit Ghana and see for themselves. Guys, you should definitely be expecting happy and emotional moment. Before we watch, I would love to appreciate my returning subscribers. Thank you so much for always clicking in. And if you're new here, my name is Delphina. I'm super excited to have you here. Please don't make it your last by subscribing to the channel. Like this video and share the video. Also do to press the notification bell to get notified whenever I drop another one. Guys, let's get right into the video. And please, at the end of it, kindly drop your thoughts in the comment section. Let's watch.
You are welcome to the residence of W.E.B. Brooks, William Edward Burkhardt Brooks. He was born on the 23rd of February, 1868 in Great Barrington, Massachusetts.
I went Ghana, I drink visit Ghana, I eat Ghana. I suppose I'm from Ghana.
I am Tina, and I am originally from Jamaica, but I live in Florida. And I am so happy to be here. I was just telling my friend how exciting I am to be here. This is my first time being here in Ghana, and the welcome from the airport to the hospitality with our tour, the guys that tour with us, has been amazing. To the parties. Most importantly, today we got to walk where our slaves and our ancestors rather walked, and that was that was a bit challenging for me because I felt like we didn't have to go through all of that. But I do get, we going through all of that to cause us to be who we are, as a nation, as Black people. But the history is tremendous here. I learned so much, and I'm just so thankful that I could be here for 2026 to share in Ghana's beautiful culture. The food is amazing, everything. Today, the performance. the name of the group, but I was just, very amazed of how, these kids just embody their culture. And I was just.
I drink, you see, Ghana. I eat. Of course, I'm from Ghana. Love your country, Be your country, Help your country. Also, push your country. I wear Ghana. I drink Ghana. I eat Ghana. Of course, I'm from Ghana.
Any other particular person has been sacrificed the black before be present today. We also need this from 6 targets. We're asking you to make the job your children of today, what that will keep your mind away from now onwards to embrace the black forever. Okay, bunny bag you wala. Okay, tell you wala. Okay, here fan. Okay, certain. Okay, get him back.